Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Are you someone who wants to run virtual machines or boost your gaming performance? Then in today's video, I'll show you how to enable virtualization on Windows 11. Before we begin, what exactly is virtualization? It allows your PC to act like multiple systems at once using apps like VirtualBox, VMware, or Windows Subsystem for Android. But first, it must be enabled from your BIOS settings. So the first step would be to check if virtualization is enabled. And to do that, just go to your taskbar and then right click. And now from here, just go to your task manager. So now once you're here, then from the left hand side, go to the performance option. And then from here, just select your CPU option. And now on the bottom right, you can see all these options. And one of these says virtualization. So just check if it's enabled or not. If virtualization is enabled, then you're all set. But if not, then follow these steps. So in order to enable virtualization, just click on Start and then just go to your settings option. Now from the left hand side, just go to the system option. Then go ahead and just scroll down and go to the recovery option. Now from here, under the advanced setup, just click on the Restart Now button. So once you do that, your PC will restart and show a blue screen. So just go ahead and select the troubleshoot option. And after that, select the advanced option. And once you do that, you need to select the UEFI firmware settings. And then just click on restart. Now, if you do not see UEFI option, then just try restarting and press Del F2, F10 or ESC during boot. This basically depends on your PC brand. So now once your PC restarts, just go back to the task manager and then go to the performance option and then the CPU option. And then from here, you can see that your virtualization has finally been enabled. Well, so now you can run virtual machines and Android emulators smoothly. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.